Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Root Beer here, looking at question number 22 on our 2012 Fermat paper. In the country of no hills, each pair of cities is connected by a straight road. The chart to the right shows the distances along straight roads between some pairs of cities. The distance along the straight road between P and R is closest to. Okay. So what we've got to do is we've got to take this information here and find a way to work out PR. So we might start drawing a little picture. Get ourselves a fresh sheet of paper. We might start drawing a picture with maybe P, and Q, and R, and S. I don't quite know where they should go. Perhaps the numbers that we see will inform our decisions, our choices. But we got P, Q, R, and S. And for example, we read this, the distance between P and P is 0 because it's the same city. But P to Q is 25. Okay. How about P to R? Well, that's the thing we need to know. P to S is 24. So I might move S a little closer, just a little closer. Okay. Now, Q to P, we know that that's 25. Q to Q, of course, that's nothing. Q to R is also 25. Okay, so we might drop something like this and say that, oh, that's 25 as well. Okay. Q to S is 7. Now we have our very first triangle. We've got a 7 here, a 24, and that means I'm going to have a nice little right-angled triangle here. Because 7, 24, 25 is what we call a Pythagorean triple. And as I've mentioned in various other videos, but I think this is probably the first time I've mentioned it on this paper, it's a good idea to know certain right-angle triangles, 3, 4, 5, just being able to recognize that those are sides of a right-angle triangle. 5, 12, 13, that's a good one. It's good to know a certain number of these. 8, 15, 17, this is a fairly overlooked one. Okay? And another common one is 7, 24, 25. That's a Pythagorean triple. Okay? And it's got me thinking that perhaps that since QR is also 25, that maybe 7 here, 24, 25, maybe QR is something like this, and we've got another right angle triangle. Might be the case. Now we don't know PR. How about RS? So that'd be over here. That's going to be 18. Okay. So RS is 18. Well, okay, that's not the 24. So it's not like we've got a mirror image here. Okay. But RS. So maybe if I put R out here, 25 and 18. Now, it looks like we've got another triangle, but hold on for a second. 18 and 7 is the same as 25. So we don't actually have a triangle because any side of a triangle is always less than the sum of the other two sides. So what we have here is not actually a triangle. We have a straight line. That's the only way to make these work. And we have to look at the numbers to realize this. So we'll put R down here, 7, 18, and that gives me the total 25. And now I have nice fixed relationships here for my numbers. Okay? And what do we want? We want the distance between P and R. Well, look at that. We've got another right angle triangle waiting because this is a full line. We had a right angle. Now we've got another one, 180 degrees in total. So we've got 18, 24, and then what? Well, use the Pythagorean theorem. Although I'm noticing here that 18 is 6 times 3. And this side here, 24, is 6 times 4. So if we use our 3, 4, 5 triangle, we could just jump and say this is 6 times 5, 30. But if you don't believe that, of course, grab your calculator. 24 squared is 576. 18 squared is 324. Add them up, that's 900. And the square root of 900, PR, would be 30. Okay? So you can either recognize the pattern in these numbers, that they're 6, that you're just scaling up the 3, 4, 5 triangle, or you could work it out. They probably both take the same amount of time. And there's our answer, A, 30. All right, very nice little geometry question. We really had to be thinking about the numbers to recognize the right angle in 24, 25, and 7, as well as noticing that 7, 18, and 25 forces that straight line there. We really had to be understanding the numbers there for that one. Okay? So that's question 22. Up next is question number 23. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to like or subscribe if you want to be kept up to date. And I think that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching.